I had a great opportunity to get out into the countryside and shoot tractor portraiture for a client. To photograph a Ferguson tractor and its owner, I used my trusty Canon 5D Classic. The weather was good, and even though the photo shoot took place at midday, I managed to get good photographs while contending with harsh light. Canon 5D doesn't preview what you're photographing on the back screen. It will only display existing photos on the memory card. This means that I have no idea what my snap will look like until I take it. The screen is of bad quality and almost useless, especially on a bright day. However, 5D Classic has a histogram display which reliably helps with proper exposure. So long as my histogram looks good, I have confidence in pictures taken. I brought along my A57 to record a few videos which you're seeing now. They were all shot at 1080p, 50 frames per second, with a goal of making slow motion clips. At custom settings, the camera doesn't have autofocus, so every video has to be carefully planned, especially if it involves tracking a moving object. Hopefully soon I'll have a more capable video camera. If you stayed this long, I expect you're after the photos that made of the day. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.